Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. Click on the Start menu button, type Control Panel, click on the Control Panel when it appears in the search results, click on Network and Internet, click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on the name of the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Click on Wireless Properties. Click on Security. Click on Show Characters. If the user account control window appears, click Yes. You may also be required to enter the admin password and click Yes, depending on your settings. In the Network Security Key section, you should now see the Wi-Fi network password. You have been watching a how-to tutorial by Aspiration. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click or tap that subscribe button. If you want to receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notification bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care of yourself.